Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the impact of Denarau port on the environment. Denarau is one of Fiji's most popular tourist destinations, known for its luxury hotels, marines, and access to nearby islands. However, while the port plays an important role in supporting Fiji's economy and tourism industry, its activities also have significant effects on the surrounding natural environment. It is important that we understand both benefits and the environmental costs so we can find ways to make development more sustainable.
One of the main environmental problems caused by Denarau Port is marine pollution. The port handles a large number of boats and ferries every day, and these activities often lead to oil spills, fuel leaks, and the dumping of waste into the ocean. Litter from tourists such as plastic bottles and food wrappers also end up in the water. These pollutants can harm fish, coral reefs, and other marine organisms by reducing water quality and blocking sunlight. Coral reefs near Denarau are especially vulnerable. They are home to many species and help protect the coast from strong waves and erosion. But pollution makes them weak and more likely to die. If marine pollution continues, it will destroy habitats, reduce fish populations, and affect local communities that depend on fishing for food and income.
Coastal development and habitat loss. Another major issue is coastal development. To make space for hotels, restaurants, and other tourist facilities, large areas of mangroves and wetlands around Denarau have been cleared. These ecosystems are very important because mangroves act as natural barriers that protect the coastline from storms and flooding. They also serve as breeding grounds for fish, crabs, and birds. When mangroves are removed, many animals lose their homes and the coast becomes more exposed to erosion and storm surges. Habitat destruction not only affects biodiversity but also makes the area more vulnerable to the effects of climate change, such as rising sea levels and stronger cyclones. Protecting and restoring mangroves would help balance development with environmental protection.
Boat traffic and air pollution. The Denarau port is also a busy transportation hub with many boats, yachts, and cruise ships operating daily. This high level of boat traffic contributes to air and noise pollution. Boats release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, which aid to global warming. They also produce underwater noise that disturbs marine animals like dolphins, whales, and turtles, which rely on sound to communicate and navigate. Continuous noise can drive these animals away from their natural habitats. Furthermore, large cruise ships often discharge waste and sewage into the ocean, worsening pollution. Managing boat numbers and enforcing strict environmental rules could help reduce these harmful effects.
Besides these effects being discussed, one possible solution to reduce these environmental effects on Denarau Port is to implement sustainable port management practices that minimizes pollution and protect marine ecosystems. These can include stricter regulations on waste disposal and fuel emissions from boats and cruise ships to prevent water contamination. Installing proper waste treatment and recycling facilities at the port would also help reduce plastic and oil pollution. Additionally, introducing eco-friendly technologies such as electric or hybrid vessels can significantly cut down carbon emissions. Replanting mangroves and preserving nearby coral reefs can further restore natural habitats and act as a buffer against coastal erosion. Promoting environmental awareness among tourists and business operating in the area is equally important, ensuring that everyone contributes to keeping Denarau's marine and coastal environment healthy and sustainable.
In conclusion, while the Denarau port brings economic benefits and boosts to Fiji's tourism industry, it also puts heavy pressure on the environment. Marine pollution, habitat loss, and emissions from port traffic all threaten the health of local ecosystems. To make Denarau more sustainable, we need stronger waste management policies, restrictions on coastal development, and programs to restore mangroves and coral reefs. By balancing tourism with environmental care, Fiji can continue to benefit from Denarau's success while protecting its natural beauty for future generations.